There was a homeless man named Billy who barely got by. He would hold out a cup and beg people for money, hoping to get enough so he didn't have to sleep on the street at night.
Can you spare some change?
Little did he know, he was about to meet a lady who would change the rest of his life.
This is for you. I hope this helps.
Oh my God. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I don't have to sleep on the street tonight. Well, why'd you give me so much?
I've always believed what goes around comes around.
Wait. I don't even know your name.
It's Sarah. Sarah Darling. I work across the street. I'm sure I'll see you around.
Thank you, Sarah, darling. Ring.
Billy realizes that when Sarah handed him the $20 bill, she accidentally dropped her wedding ring inside of his cup. He runs after Sarah to try to find her to give her her ring back. He looks all around for her, but he can't find her anywhere. Just as he gives up looking for her, he happens to come across a pawn shop and decides he may as well go inside.
Hi, can I help you?
Wanted to see how much this ring is worth.
All right. Wow, this is nice. I can give you $4,000 for it.
$4,000? That's so much money. I wouldn't have to sleep on the street for months.
Just a second. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and 4,000.
What goes around comes around.
What's wrong? Aren't you gonna take it?
Actually, changed my mind. I'm really sorry.
Billy decides not to take the money and continues to look for Sarah instead. As he's walking around, he remembers something she told him.
I work across the street. I'm sure I'll see you around.
So he goes inside nearby offices, asking for a Sarah Darling, but no one seemed to know who she was. He keeps trying, and eventually he finds her.
Is there a Sarah Darling that works here?
Yeah. Sarah?
Oh, hi. How can I help you?
Hello. I believe this belongs to you. You dropped it in my cup.
Oh my God. You found my ring. I've been looking everywhere for this. But I don't understand. I'm sure you could have got a lot of money for this. Why'd you give it back?
Well, you helped me, so it's the least I could do. Besides, a wise woman once told me, what goes around, comes around.
Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this means to me. I'll never forget this.
You're welcome.
Wow. You know, you should start a GoFundMe for him. I'm sure people would love this story and want to help him.
That's a great idea.
Sarah decides to start a GoFundMe page for Billy, telling the story of how he gave her the ring back. And to her surprise, the story ends up going viral. People all over the world started donating. Within a few days, Sarah raises over $190,000 in donations. And then a few days later, Sarah goes to find Billy.
Hey, Billy.
Hello, Sarah.
I have a surprise for you. $190,726 surprises to be exact.
What? This is all for me? But I don't understand. What's going on?
I set up a donation page and I told everybody about what you did. People around the world donated. So now you don't have to worry about sleeping out on the streets anymore. You can buy your own home.
I can't believe this is happening to me. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Hey Darman fam, so you see, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. And when you share my videos, you're helping to change lives too. You really can manifest the life that you desire. And even if you're struggling right now, your struggle is your story, and your story is your superpower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.